yesterday's videos, I'm going to send to you by tonight together
Oh,
with
okay.
this afternoon.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, so we begin. Sekejap, tadi saya dah record dulu. Oh, dah record. Okay, diagram 2 shows a curve of negative x squared, negative x squared, so negative x squared. Sorry ya, sekejap. Ada problem. Sekejap lagi ya, saya ada problem sikit. Okay, sekejap. Okay. Okay, so diagram 2 shows a curve of y equal to negative x squared. Pasal apa? Okay.
Yeah.
Sekejap, negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. Okay, can you see what I'm writing on the screen now?
Yes.
Y equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Intersect a straight line of y equal to x plus 6 at two different points. Okay, y1 and y2, which is y equal to mx plus 6. So find the range of values of m using the number line method. So now different point. Okay, find the range of values of m by using the number line method. So for this y equal to mx plus 6. Okay. So okay, have you met with this kind of question before?
Yes.
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 Okay, so what is your idea for this question then?
They want M, maksudnya they want gradient.
M is gradient, okay.
Tapi we know that it's on the x-axis and then y-axis, so we can use the coordinate of 0.
Mm-hmm.
Tapi dia intersect the curve, so we can find the negative 1 equals to m1 times m2.
Okay, this is intersection point. So it's going to be mx1 and another intersect point which is x2. So find the range of m using the number line method. So I just get the question from the curriculum from the SEM, but then I'm not very familiar with this kind of questions, because if the question asks for we call intersection point A and B, okay, let's say A and B, yes, we can just simply come up with y1 equal to y2, or might be, if not this one, maybe we can use the substitution y equal to mx plus 6. So substitute we call substitute into an x or something like that. But then when it comes to this m minus 4 square, if I come up, okay, y1 equal to y2, negative x squared plus 4x minus 3 equal to mx plus 6. So then negative x squared plus 4x minus mx minus 3, 6 brings the result become negative. So negative 6. So negative 3 minus 6 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so then multiply with negative 1, x squared minus 4x plus mx plus 9 equal to 0. Then factorize this. So b squared minus 4ac, right? Okay. Are we going to use the b squared minus 4ac?
B square minus 4AC.
X squared plus negative 4 plus n x plus 9 equal to 0. B squared minus 4ac, which is, this is b, negative 4 plus n square minus 4a and c. Okay, so then this is negative 4 n minus 4. Okay, n minus 4 squared minus 4ac, which is greater than 0. Greater than 0, why? What is the 4b squared minus 4ac? B squared minus 4ac, which is greater than 0, less than 0, and b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So b squared minus 4ac greater than 0 shows that the graph of the curve intersect at 2 points of x-axis, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. B squared minus 4ac less than 0.
It's not on the point.
Okay, the graph did not intersect or touch the x-axis at all. And b squared minus 4ac equal to 0 means that it's touched at 1 point. So now, for this uh, n squared minus 8n plus 16 minus 36 is greater than 0. So then n squared minus 8n, 16 minus 36 minus 20 greater than 0 here. So then we have n and n. So 20. Multiplication of two numbers that give us 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 3, no, 4 times 5, 6, no, 7, no, 8, 9, and 10 with 2. Okay. And then this is for sum of a product of root, product multiplication. Sum of root or difference, here we have negative 8. Is it possible to get negative 8? between 1 and 20. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sure.
Is it possible to get negative 8 for the cooperation between 1 and
No.
20? No.
No.
Okay. 4 and 5?
Oh, no.
Okay, 4 and 5, at least we get 9 or negative 9, right?
Yeah.
So it's only 2 and 10. Yes, so 2 minus 10 equal to negative 8. So we get n plus 2 and n minus 10. So now we got negative 2 and 10 here. So n plus 2 equals 0, then n is 2, and n minus 10 equal to 0, then n equal to 10. So we got negative 2 and 10 here. So this greater than 0, just assume that these two linear vectors is greater than 0. Just assume. Okay, assuming first. So then we got this one here is negative, 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 positive, positive, and positive. So we got negative times negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so now uh, which of these represent the okay? So we got a sign of positive here and positive here. So because we're taking the positive because the inequalities of this, the inequalities equation here is all greater than 0. Greater than 0 is a positive value. You get what I mean? Positive value here.
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay, so means that now uh, so then it is we call find the range of the domain for this one here is for equal x less than negative 2 or x greater than 10. Okay, so that is the first one. Second, lakatan graph. Okay, sketch the graph of gx equal to. Okay, so this is solution for question A. Is question A. Now let's take a look at question B. So how's the preparation in your house now?
My mom is cooking.
Your mom cooking. Okay. Your dad helping in the kitchen or decorating the house?
My dad is decorating the house with my
Okay.
sister.
You?
I'm studying.
Okay. Tomorrow is a celebration, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy Deepavali.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. 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 Now I know. I cannot write somewhere up on this area, so I need to move down here. Okay. So gx equal to 3x plus 5 square minus 48. Okay. Okay. Why do we have this function in this form? Let's say if I have, let's say, y equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. If I do some completing the square method, then we get x squared minus 5x plus, oh no, sorry. Is there something to do with completing the square plus negative 5 over 2 square minus negative 5 over 2 square plus 6. So these 3x minus 5 over 2 square minus 25 over 4 plus 6 times 4, 24 over 4, then x minus 5 over 2 square minus 1 over 4. Okay, so if we compare this one, 3 means that there we go. but for the equation of y, the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1, is equal to something. Okay, never mind. Now I get it. Okay, so um, what is this means to you? And what is this negative 48? Okay,
Negative 48 is the minimum point.
minimum point. Okay, then next is, and next,
That is the maximum. Wait, terbalik. I think it's terbalik. One is maximum, one is minimum.
okay. So let's say x plus 5, make it equal to 0, then x equal to negative 5, am I right?
Yes.
I don't have a ruler here. So just keep it and those rules. Okay, so x plus 5 and x equal to negative 5, x equal to 5, and this is negative 48. Negative 48. So then, this actually, okay, negative 5 and negative 48 is actually a minimum point, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Negative 48
minimum
is
point.
minimum.
Okay, minimum point. And also x equal to negative 5 is actually we call when there is a line that divides two one space, okay, one page into half. What do you call that? Symmetrical line. Okay, might be something like this. Sama ada dia potong, potong this we call the graph here, or might be the graph somewhere around here. I don't know. Okay, let me test the graph and show the concept to you. One, two, three, x plus 5 square minus 8. Sekejap, saya tahu je. Okay, okay, okay. You put your smartphone. You can people WhatsApp from me. Hello.
Yes, teacher, I'm referring.
Dia dapat Dia gelap tu. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the okay, given that
Okay.
okay, dia dapat
Boleh, boleh.
Okay. Okay, given that h x plus p square plus q, okay, State the range value of P and Q if the graph of HX is on the left of GX and the position of the point is lower than GX. So for this question number two, because this question is not very familiar for me, but then just give you recall the solution for question number two here, where P is greater than 5, Q is less than negative 48. So question number two, if I'm not mistaken, that is just recall if the graph of value of P and Q is being both. Okay, if I recall is lower than GX, and also HX is on the left side, on the left of GX. So this is the one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The quadratic of 8fx equal to px squared plus x minus q, where p and q is a constant. Okay, so this function we may refer to this diagram. Express the range value of q in the term of p. So then for this one, because this graph, it cuts two values of x. Okay, it cuts the whole x-axis at 2 points here, which is a and also b. So then using b squared minus 4ac, which is greater than 0. So b squared, the coefficient is 1 here. 1 squared minus 4a, which is b, and c, negative q, greater than 0. Okay, so 1 minus negative and negative positive 4pq greater than 0. Bring 1 to the side, become minus 1. 4pq greater than negative 1. So then express the range of q in the term of p. So q greater than negative 1 over 4p. Something like that. Right? Okay. The answers given here is q less than negative 1 over 4p. I have no idea why we change that sign, because 1 by bring up to the side become negative 1, and we divide by 4p left and right. Divide by positive 4p, then we got the sign should not change. It remain as greater than negative 1 over 4p. So I have no idea. Can you just bring this methods to your teachers kalau mungkin saya ada tersilap ke?
Okay, Chair.
Okay. Okay, let's see again. B squared minus 4a and c, where here now a equal to b, b equal to 1, c equal to negative q. B squared, 1 squared minus 4a, which is b, and c is negative q. Negative times negative, positive, which is 1 plus 4pq now, greater than 0. And then bring 1 to the side, become negative 1. And then divide by 4p left and right, should become q greater than 1 over negative 4p. Okay, so I just wonder why the answers q less than 1 over 4p. Okay, prove that n over n. Okay, and then n over n plus n over n equal to 1 over 2q minus 2. What is this? N plus n. N plus n equal to negative 1. Negative 1 over p Um, okay. What about this question then? N plus n equal to negative 1 over p. So where do you get 1 over p here?
1 over p.
Okay. Sometimes it's just because the pattern of the question is not very familiar. My, my teaching and multiplication.
Oh, teacher,
And, ah,
we can try to put like your x dapat negative 1 over 4, right? We sub that into the equation px square plus x minus q. Lepas tu, we will be left with y. Y will be equals to 0. No, y we don't know. Lepas tu pq.
okay, because given here n plus n equal to negative 1 over p and
Mm-hmm.
n equal to negative q divided by p. Is this sum of root and product of root?
And yeah,
Is it sum of root? Right? Sum of root
and then the product of
and
root.
the product of root. Okay. So now n plus n for this one here now. Okay, we are going to equalize the denominator. So also multiply with n times n squared plus n squared divided by n equal to, and this one over 1. So times with 2q and also 2q here. So 1 minus 2q divided by 2q, 4q. Um, okay, I'm not going to, because this one dia asing ke ataupun dia datang daripada soalan yang atas?
Datang dari soalan yang atas, cikgu.
Oh, dia betul-betul.
Hmm.
Okay. Given here, negative 1 over p square minus 2 negative q over p divided by negative q over p. Okay. Okay. So given that the shape of the brain can be represented by the equation of I x squared minus x plus 5 5 find the depth of the brain. So okay. So okay. Um, let's say if I 2 over 5 x squared minus x equal to 15. Okay, 2 over 5 x squared minus 30x plus this one here negative 30 over 2 square, or using the computer square. Okay, 2 over 5 x square minus, how will we factorize this? we got negative 12, 50, and also 2 over 5. Do you have any idea? Because given here, 2 over 5 taken outside, x squared minus
12 divided by 2 over 5.
30x, and
30.
then plus with negative 30 over 2 squared minus negative 30 over squared plus 50. So it is now 2 over 5 uh, x minus 15 square minus 40. Okay, so then the we call kita kata lebar dia that the width lebar dia is 25. Okay, the depth is 25. So if we divide by 2, 25 divided by 2, 24, 12.5, right?
Yeah, 12.5.
Okay, negative 40. So uh, if the width of the drain is 25, find the depth. Kedalaman dia apa? The depth, of course, we refer to this minimum value, right?
Yes.
Depth, which is negative 40. Negative 40 means that it's 40 feet,
Downwards.
20
Yeah.
feet, 40 centimeter downwards. Okay, so from here, let's say this is a drain, we call the length or x-axis. So this is negative 40, right? Okay, boleh ya? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, given that for the equation A and B and C is a constant, okay, given that ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So then find form or formula of this. Okay, so then a x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equal to 0. Okay, so now a, this one here, x squared plus b over a, x plus b over a divided by 2 square minus b over a divided by 2 square plus c over a. So then a, okay, this part, okay, b divided by a over 2. And this, okay, especially look at this one, okay, this, we can simplify this one here, b over a divided by 2, which is equal to b over 2a. So if it is square here, so then b over 2a squared. So for this, 1, 2, and 3, we can simplify this as x plus b over 2a squared minus, and this one here is b over 2a squared minus c over a. Okay, so then uh, a multiplied with this a x plus b over 2a square minus b over 2a square plus c over a. Mm, x divided by Sekejap ya. Okay, so A times with this one here, A multiplied with this minus A also multiplied C over A times A here. So then A x plus B over 2A squared, 2A squared, then A divided by A squared here, so it is B over 4A plus C is quite long here because there is only one x left. Okay, one x left here. But make it equal to 0. This we bring up to the other side. Agak panjang sikit dah solution dia cara kerja ni. Then x plus b over 2a equal to b over 4a minus c. Sebab dia ada square root apa semua ni. So you try until you get x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by b. Okay, for this question which I think that is not because the marks given here is 3. Saya jalan kerja ni terlalu panjang. I'm not sure whether this kind of question is valid ataupun kata relevant tapi you get the idea, you try to get this idea. Kalau you need, kalau nak juga cuba remindkan saya untuk saya buatkan atas kertas, kemudian saya akan send balik WhatsApp kalau dapat.
Okay.
Yang semalam saya rasa ada something yang saya kata nak bagi solution kemudian saya lupa je.
I also forget already. Wait a check.
Okay, so given the quadratic of x squared minus 2kx plus 2 minus k equal to 0. Okay, find the express the root of quadratic equation in terms of k. So we just okay. So for this one, the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. So b squared minus 4ac. According to this, b okay a equal to 1 here. B equal to negative 2kx negative 2k and c equal to 2 minus k. So b square negative 2k square minus 4a and c 2 minus k. Then you get 4k square minus negative 4 times 2 minus a. Negative 4 times negative 2k plus 4k. Then you get 4k square plus 4k minus 8. Then we get k square plus k minus 2. Okay, so from here, if I factorize this, then you get k and k. Product of root is negative 2. So then we have plus 1 and minus 2. Okay. For question B, express the root of the equation. So the root is k equal to negative 1 and k equal to 2. This is for B. But then for question C, from the quadratic in B, mempunyai punca-punca nyata. Punca nyata means that B square minus 4 is equal to 0 and 0. So then, you come up with the number line here, negative 1 and 2, we assuming that both is greater than, and we get negative, 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 positive, positive, and positive. So we get positive, negative, equals to. And for these inequalities, the equation is greater than 0. Greater than 0 is always a positive value. So then it is for x less than negative 1 or x greater than 2. Okay, x is not x, is a k. K is less than negative 1 or k greater than 2. Okay, so okay, this question when it comes to uh, the function given here, ungkapkan punca-punca bagi persamaan, express the root of the quadratic, then we use the k of b square minus 4ac. Okay, and then let's find out what is the value of k here. And then for question C, from the quadratic equation in B has a real root. Has a real root, so then b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So that is the clue for question of B and C. Okay, solve the quadratic equation of 3x squared minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Give the answers in the form of a plus bi, which I think that this one meaning if the answer is in the form of a plus bi, meaning that this is a complex number. It's time now, 7:30. Okay, complex number, meaning uh, this function, okay, this quadratic equation is different from x squared minus 5x plus 6 because we can factorize this solely, okay, smoothly, that this is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Then x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Okay, this is a real integer, real number. But then if the question wants us to solve in the form of a plus bi, meaning this is something that we cannot solve with the real integers. They need a real part and complex number called imaginary part complex number. So, okay, any idea for this? Can we factorize this?
Let's see.
3x and x. Can we factorize this?
I use calculator with that teacher. 3 negative 5 30. Tak boleh.
Tak boleh kan? Okay, so what is your idea for this question then?
Solve the quadratic. We
Any
have
idea?
to use the formula, the
That's it. Use the formula. Okay, so then this is not the solution. Then we, let's say, list down A, B, and C. A equal to 3. B equal to
amplifier.
-5 and C equal to 3. So x equal to negative b. Negative b, b is -5 plus minus square root of negative, okay, b square which is -5 square minus 4a and c divided by 2b. So negative and negative, positive 5 plus minus square root of -5 square, 25 minus 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36 divided by times 3 equal to 6. 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 36.
Negative 11.
Negative 11 divided by 6. Now, look at this. We have negative inside the square root sign. Okay, square root of 9, no, square root of -9. For example, this is square root of -1 times with 9, where square root of a times b equal to square root of a times square root of b. So this one here come out with square root of -1 times square root of 9. Square root of 9 equal to
3.
3.
3
Good. Okay, square root of -1,
becomes 1i.
not 1i. It is
Square
I.
I.
Okay. I equal to square root of -1. Okay, so what can you predict here?
3i, 5 plus minus 3i,
5 plus minus, okay, plus
3i over 6.
3i.
Ah,
Square root of negative 11, square root of negative 1 times square root of
okay.
11. Can we simplify this?
Oh, cannot.
No. So then it
Square
remain
root
as
11
11i.
I. Okay.
Okay, 5 plus square root of 11i divided by 6 and 5 minus square root of 11 square root of 11i divided by 6. Okay, so by the way, Kiki, if this
Yeah.
okay, a plus bi in this question here, if you write in the form of a plus bi, meaning 5 plus square root of 11i divided by 6, a is for 5 over 6 plus square root of 11, 6i. This is in the form of a plus bi, not in this form yet. Okay, so if you left the answers in this form, you might lose one marks because a plus bi means that we need to separate 5 over 6 plus square root of 11i divided by 6. So then we have another of 5 over 6 minus square 11 over 6i. This is in the form of a plus bi. Be careful. Okay, okay, because this session is being recorded. Never mind. So we should, you can watch it again and again later. Okay, next, the quadratic equation of x squared plus 1 h plus k equal to 2h minus k x have two equal roots. Two equal roots means that b squared minus 4ac. Two equal roots. Equal. Okay, what's the meaning of two equal roots? Okay.
Yeah, two equal roots
Mm,
equals to 0.
equal to 0. Good. So then, tentukan is h and k. So
You have to expand.
Ex do we need to expand it
Oh,
first?
you have to change their like pergi to other direction. Minus 2x minus 2h minus k over x. Bring to the other side. That's the word.
Okay, because for this one, it's a coefficient of x, but
Yeah.
this is x squared plus 1h. So are we going to expand this first?
Yes. And then
Okay,
bring to the
so
other side.
x squared times h x squared plus h plus k equal to 2h minus k, put x here. So h x squared minus 2h minus k x plus h plus k equal to 0. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so
now we
now
can do that.
A equal to h, B equal to
2h minus k.
2h minus k. So from ax squared plus bx plus c, but we have negative here.
So it's negative 2h plus k.
Negative 2h plus k. And c equal to
H.
h plus k. That's it. Okay, now uh, b
The
squared
square.
plus 4ac
Yeah.
negative 2h plus k, b squared minus 4a and c h plus k equal to 0. So if h 4h squared minus 1 plus k squared, and then minus 4h squared minus 4hk equal to 0. Okay, so 4h minus 4h squared,
Okay.
which else?
Negative 4hk. 8.
Negative 4hk, negative 4hk, negative
Negative
8.
8.
Okay, negative 8hk plus k squared equal to 0. Then k, uh, k minus 8h equal to 0. Then k equal to 0, k minus h equal to 0, k equal to 8h. So 1k equal and then 8h. So k over h equal to 8 over 1. So we got the ratio is k, h and k, which is 1 ratio
8.
0.8. That's it. Okay. Given that function of this, fx equal to negative 1 over 2 x minus 1 square plus 2. Okay, lakakan gerak bagi fungsi kuadrat berikut. So this is the uh, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. 1 and 2, x1, y equal to 2 here, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Is this a graph something like this?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay. Let's say if I expand this, negative half x minus 1 square plus 2, then negative 1 over 2 x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 2, then negative 1 over x square plus x minus 1 over 2 plus 2. Look at this. The coefficient of x squared negative over, which is less than 0. Less than 0, so then dia akan bentuk masam with a maximum point here, which is x1, y2 is maximum point. Okay, so this is the one. And then when x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, here, when x equal to 0, x equal to 0, 2 minus half, which is 3 over 2. So that is 3 over 2. Okay, what else do we need to, apa kita perlu tahu? We have the maximum point, 1 and 2, and also when intersect y-axis, then x equal to 0, x equal to 0, 0, then we got 3 over 2 here. Okay, intersect at x-axis, y equal to 0. So if this is y equal to 0, then negative half x minus 1 square equal to, bring 2 to the other side, become negative 2. And then times with negative 2 here and also negative 2 here. Negative and negative positive, 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. So then x minus 1 square equal to negative 2 and negative 2 equal to positive 4. And then x minus 1 square left and right, it give you plus minus 2, then x equal to 2 minus 1 or negative 2 minus 1, which is x equal to 1 or x equal to negative 3. So this is negative 3 and this is 1. But then from z, wait, 2. Oh, it's supposedly plus 1, sorry, plus 1. So then 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and negative 1 is negative 1. So this is negative 1 and this is 3 here. Okay, Kiki, am I too fast?
No.
Okay, you understood?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, good. Now, for question B, tuliskan positif when a graph is reflected on f-axis. What is f-axis? F-axis, which is y. Okay, y-axis. So then if reflects one through y-axis, so the graph, okay, intersect point of 3 will turn to negative 3 and negative 1 turn it to 1 and this one. Okay,
Negative 1 times 1.
if the graph reflects at y-axis, okay, the maximum point here 1 and 1, 1 and 2, okay, and then we got negative 1 and okay, this is 1, this is 1, and here is 3. So the graph will be something like this. So then, so if it reflects to y-axis, so then this point of what we call 1 and 2 turn it in negative 1 and 2 here. And then the point of negative 1 turn it into 1 and then 3 turn to negative 3. So then we give it something like this. Something like that. Okay, okay,
Okay, teacher.
okay. If alpha and beta are roots for that one, but then you got the equation whose root are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Okay, x squared plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Is this the one sum of root and product of root, am I right?
Yes.
So then compare with x squared plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta equal to negative 4 or 4. Alpha plus beta equal to 4 or negative 4 dia. Saya pun jangan lupa dia x square minus negative 4x. Is that it? Plus 6. Macam tu.
Yes.
Because from the answer scheme given here, alpha plus beta equal to negative 4, alpha times beta equal to 6.
Yes.
So this x square minus negative 4, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So then now,
New
so 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, which is beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta, and then 1 alpha times 1 over beta equal to 1 over alpha beta.
Beta.
Okay, so then
Negative 4 over 6.
alpha plus beta equal to
Negative 4 over 6.
negative 4. Alpha beta is 6. Negative 4 6 or negative 2
2
over
over
3.
3.
And then this one is 1 over
1 over
alpha
6.
beta over 6. Good. So then
We want new quadratic equation, so we must put back. So x square
this one,
minus over 3.
x square plus alpha beta
Minus 2 over 3.
negative 2 over 3.
Yeah.
Negative 2 over 3
Plus
x
1 over
plus
6. 1 over
1
6.
over 6 equal to 0. Is it positive here or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Oh wait, no. Because the equation x square minus alpha plus beta x. The first equation. Yang main tu cikgu.
Yang mana?
Yang atas sekali.
This one? Okay.
That one is negative.
Negative.
Yeah.
Okay.
So bawah also negative. So jadi positif.
So x square negative negative positive. over 3x plus 1 over 6 make it equal to 0. Finally, you get 6x squared plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. To quadratic with the equation of this and this one here touch each other at the point of P. So determine the coordinate of Okay, so saya ambil 10 minit lagi dan nanti stop because saya waktu sekali waktu sembahyang maghrib. So saya expresskan lah. Right?
What time, teacher?
Sekejap sikit. So 2 quadratic which is y1 equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5 and y2 equal to m plus 2x minus x squared touch each other at the point of P. So which means that let's say this is the curve and this is another curve. They touch at the point of P. So any idea?
Any idea? Equate
And
them.
equate which is y1 equal to
Why do?
y2. Good. So then x squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to this one here, negative x squared plus 2x plus m. Okay. So if I bring all this to the side here, negative x squared, you join up here, become positive. So we got 2x squared, negative 4x minus 2x minus 6x, 5 minus m, make it equal to 0.
Okay.
So it's got to do with b squared minus
Yeah,
4ac
equals
again.
to 0.
0 equals good. So then a equal to 2, b equal to negative 6, and c equal to 5 minus m. So then b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Negative 6 squared minus 4a and c 5 minus m equal to 0. 36 minus negative 4 times 2, 8. Negative 8 times 5, negative 40. Negative positive 4 times 2 equal to 8 times n. 8n equal to 0. 36 minus 40 equal to negative 4. So then bring negative 4 to the side, become 8m equal to 4, then m equal to 1 over 2.
But they want coordinates.
Pardon?
They want coordinates. So we must
Okay.
continue, right?
Yes. Okay, sorry. Betul tu. Okay, so this one is negative x squared plus 2x and m equal to 1 over 2. So n is 1 over 2.
So that would be negative 1, 2, so 1 over 2. Right?
Kita belum dapat koordinat lagi kan? Saya lupa. Saya akan cari nilai. Itu baru cari nilai m. Okay. Again, y1 equal to y2. X squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to negative x squared plus 2x plus 1 over 2. So what about this? Kita kena buat sekali lagi ke?
Tak tahu. Let's try lah. So I put it
Okay. So negative x squared bisa become positive 2x squared minus 6x 5 minus half 10 over 2 minus 1. 9 over 2 equal to 0.
2 negative 6, 9 over 2. 3 over 2 lepas tu, only get 3 over 2.
X equal to
3 over 2 saja.
3 over 2 saja. So when x equal to 3 over 2, substitute into any equation y or y1 or y2, x equal to 2 and y equal to
So 3 over 2 square minus 4, 3 over 2 plus 2 plus 5. 5 over 4.
5 over 4. So the coordinate of p is 3 over 2 and 5 over 4. There you go. Okay. So we shall think that this is the last one. We're using the number line method of number line, find the range of the x. So we got the first one here is 2x squared greater than equal to negative 5x plus 3. So bring all this to the side, join up with the 2x squared. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So we got 2x and x, 3. 1 times 3. So 2 times 3 equal to 6 and then minus 1. The dominant is 5. So this is positive and this is negative. Again, 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 3, that's 6x. Negative 1 times x minus x. So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 equal to 5x. Negative 1 times 3 equal to negative 3. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so now if I make it this one as an equation, then we get x equal to 1 over 2 and x equal to negative 3 from here. So then,
Number
so we
line.
have negative 3 and 1
1
over
over
2. Assuming that everything is positive. So yang belakang ni kita baca putus. So we got negative, 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 positive, positive, and positive. So negative times negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea why we have negative and positive sign here?
Because when we sub the value of negative, we will get back negative. That's why.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's it. So if I choose, let's say negative 4, negative 4 times 2, negative 8 minus 1 equal to negative 9. Negative. Negative 4 plus 3 equal to negative 1. So negative 9 times negative 1, positive. That's it. Okay, thank you. So then, okay, the whole of these inequalities is greater than equal to 0. Greater than equal to 0 is all about positive value, right? Positive value, then we take the positive sign. So then it is negative infinity until negative 3 union 1 over 2 positive infinity. Or might be kalau di SP kita tuliskan x less than equal to negative 3 or x greater than equal to 1 over 2. Okay, last one B. Okay. So we got 2x squared minus 12x plus 10. So using complete the square, find maximum point. Okay, so then okay, 2x squared minus 6x plus 5. Then you got 2x squared minus 6x plus negative 6 over 2 squared minus negative 6 over 2 squared plus 5. And 2, okay, 1, 2, 3. We just look at this x and negative 6 over 2. Then x minus 3 squared.
Negative 3 square.
Okay, negative 6 over 2, negative 3 squared, negative 3 over 9 plus 5. Then we get 2x minus 3 square minus negative 9 plus 5
Oh,
4. Okay,
so
so
we
then,
have to open bracket for negative 4.
so what is the, okay, when x equal to 3, x equal to 3, then y equal to,
How x equals to 3, y equals to... We sub x equals to 3, y equals to 3.
we need to expand this
Negative
multiply,
8,
right?
yeah, correct. We have to expand.
Yeah.
When
So
only
third,
expand to negative 4. So 2
2x minus 3 squared minus 8.
8. So negative
So
8.
x equal to 3 and y equal to negative
8.
8. So the question said find the maximum or minimum. Is the maximum or minimum? The coefficient of x squared.
Minimum.
The coefficient of x squared is 2, which is 2 is greater than 0, is minimum, right?
Minimum. Yeah.
Okay, minimum point. So the graph minimum here at 3 and negative 8.
8.
And then
Hence still the
axis
equation.
of axis of symmetrical 3.
3. X equals 3.
X equal to 3.
Dah.
Okay. Boleh faham eh?
Boleh.
Okay. So that's it. So happy Deepavali to you and your family. Send my regards to
Yeah.
your mom and dad.
Okay.
Okay, so esok cuti you raya dulu.
Betul.
Then just let me know. Balik esok Isnin, Selasa saya cuti
Cik,
sampai Rabu.
can stop recording then we can talk.
Pardon?
Can stop recording
Stop recording.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, kejap. So untuk hari Selasa ataupun Rabu, just inform me earlier.
Uh,
Sekejap.
Cik dah
Stop
stop
recording.
recording?
Belum, belum.
Yeah.
Stop recording.